Hey folks, Steve Stack, Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods, coming to you from Calcutta, Ohio. Going to go through a new home today with Mr. Michael Savko Home Builders. Let's go see what he has.
As you walk in through the front doors, you've got this beautiful 2-story foyer, and we're looking at a pair of 8-foot white oak Baird Brothers doors that lead us into an office that's a little darker themed in here, has beautiful wood treatment ceiling, box beams, crown, B-board, matching white oak, custom cabinetry, black granite countertop, and a lot of the trim and doors were paint matched with the darker color of the walls. So very nice office space. As we come back out across the way, we have the formal dining room, which has a feature wall along this back wall with poplar 1x material from Baird Brothers, and nice open dining space wrapped with some of these white oak columns and beams, which you'll see more throughout the rest of the home. But these are structural columns that then just got wrapped in white oak that was glued together by the folks at Baird Brothers to give us the width panel that we needed. So as we continue on forward, we have a couple different paths to take. We'll start in the great room, which opens up again to 2 stories high. At the very top of the ceiling, you'll notice we've got the coffered look with more white oak box beams, nice orientation of the can lights centered in each one. We've got a nice stone fireplace with a mantel that was built with more white oak material from Baird Brothers. You'll notice that this window detail here, very open, lots of great views out the back. And the trim, we've kind of paired our sill and head detail with wide maul patterns in between each of the individual windows. So again, very great. I mean, great room as great could be. So right off the great room, we've got our kitchen with a very wide, almost 10-foot long island, more custom cabinetry. The wood here you see is actually a maple species, a little different stain color, but that's okay. It kind of plays into the gold hardware that they've selected for the cabinets. We've got a dinette area off to the side of the kitchen. More good-looking window details, trim details with Baird Brothers, different moldings to create that header and sill. And then we've got a set of doors going out back to the patio. Again, more white oak beams and columns that kind of separate the rooms without having to put walls in between all the rooms. As we head back through and go across the great room, we have another seating room. This was labeled the family room. So in here, we've got, again, more Baird Brothers moldings on all the windows and doors. We've got the addition of crown molding with inverted baseboard as part of this crown. So you'll notice that the detail at the very bottom is the same that you'll notice on the baseboard at the floor. So it kind of brings some of the floor detail up to the ceiling. Here we've got a pair of white oak doors that lead off of this family room into what's considered a sunroom. This sunroom is wrapped in mostly windows from Pella. And if we look up, we've got more Baird Brothers white oak material that has created a ridge box beam and then ribs running down the vaulted ceiling either side. So very open feeling, lots of natural light, great little sitting area to have some privacy. All right, that about does it for the first floor. So we're going to head on up. As we go up this staircase, you'll notice the white oak treads, the knoll posts, the handrail, and the wrought iron balusters, all sourced from Baird Brothers. Additionally, we have wainscot on the walls that was created using poplar 1x material. Just dresses up the wall a little bit from the top of the staircase landing. We've got full laundry room here on the second floor that has tile on the backsplash and on the floor, custom cabinets. And for the main event on the second floor, we've got this master suite. This master suite's about 1,600 square feet in itself. We've got a very large open bedroom with an elevated seating area. We've got stair nosing that was used from Baird Brothers to accomplish this look. There's a see-through fireplace that is also providing heat on the outside on the exposed patio, which you can get to from either side of those double doors. We also have a vaulted ceiling in this seating area with a box beam at the very top for just one extra little detail to tie in with that white oak fireplace mantle. On the other side, to continue the suite, we've got this gorgeous master bathroom with mosaic tile, very large toilet room, probably the biggest tile shower that we've built to date. I think this thing measures almost 8 foot in both directions with a 9-foot ceiling. It has all the bells and whistles in terms of mow and shower controls. We've got more custom cabinetry, vanity area, his and her sink, linen cabinet. We have a full custom built on-site sauna with Cedar parts from Baird Brothers. So everything in here was pretty much built to fit that room, which originally was meant to be a linen closet, and we turned it into a sauna. Got a nice heavy soaker tub here at the very end. One of the details I like best about this bathroom is the way that we put the crown all the way around. We don't have continuous ceiling lines with walls throughout. So even in these small sections, we managed to add some crown and give it that flared out column look at the very top. And then finally, off of the master bedroom is their master closet, which has all custom made linen cabinets and hanging type cabinetry for clothes and such. It's very wide open space. And at the very end here, you'll notice that we've got a hidden Murphy door that we've trimmed out with all Baird Brothers casing and head details to match our windows and doors, and put full length mirrors either side. Ended up being a very nice detail at the end of the closet. And we've got one staircase left to go. That's right, this house has 3 floors above ground. So rather than it just being an unfinished attic, they decided to do a finished bonus area, so to speak, in the event that they've got guests that are staying from out of town. This open area here added about another 1,000 square feet to the original house size. So nice big open area. Beautiful window view out the backyard. And then we also have a full bathroom that got added.
Hey folks, wrapping up a day of spending some time with a friend, Michael Savko, and Michael giving us a tour of this beautiful home he's just completed. Michael, thing to be proud of, man. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous.
Thank you.
The components, Baird product, the stone product, the tile, everything is really just come together. Job well done.